baby, wanna spend it all on you, baby. My room is the G-spot. Call me Mr. Flintstone. I can make your bed rock. I can make your bed rock. I can make your bed rock, girl. I can make your bed rock. I can make your bed rock. Ooh, baby, I'll be stuck to you like glue, baby.
Okay. Hey guys, my name is Elena. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. In today's video, this video has been requested on what I eat in a day on the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge. During that challenge, I will admit to you guys that, you know what? My diet didn't really change on that challenge because I usually eat this way on a daily basis. I try to get into the healthy habit of doing the 80-20 rule. 80% clean, 20% whatever I want to eat. I know for a fact that I'm gonna have a cookie or a bubble tea and I'm not gonna feel guilty about it. I really hate the eating culture where it's like, you know, if I eat something really bad one meal, that means I have to start all over again. So when people say that, like, you know, you can't, if you want to lose weight, you have to not eat anything. Like, you have to starve yourself. No, you don't starve yourself. You just fill up your body with the good food that's good for you to fuel yourself, to get those amazing results, to get those good workouts in, and life is grand. You know, we human, we got cravings. You know, growing up as a kid, I grew up on really unhealthy processed foods, and to just basically to cut all that out cold turkey was not an option for me. You know, eating really unhealthy is like stopping smoking, where it's like they expect you to stop cold turkey and you're not going to go back to your old habits. You're going to have these cravings because your body's so used to a certain way of living that if you just like cut something out cold turkey, you're gonna be like, your body's gonna be like, what are you doing? Like, how dare you? Because when you're so used to a certain way of living, a certain way of eating, of course, when you start changing those things, it's gonna be hard. Of course it's gonna be hard, but you know, I still enjoy those simple things in life, like bubble tea or, you know, some chocolate cake. Like, come on now, like, I love me some teriyaki sauce, I love me some salad dressing, sugar and spice. You know that there's the salt man? I'm the pepper woman. I love me some pepper. I like to eat good food. I like to eat food that's good for me and also that I enjoy eating it. So don't feel that you have to cut everything out of your diet to get results. But then again, also there's certain foods that do trigger our bodies. So with me, dairy is just not an option for me. Dairy and I are not friends. Try to stay away from dairy. I'm like, I'm not about that life. I'm just not about it. And if you guys are wanting to shred fat off your body, any diet that you go on, any way that you want to lose weight, it's going to be a caloric deficit. You do the keto diet, you do the paleo diet, you do the vegan diet. Any diet that you do, you are going to have to go into a caloric deficit in order to lose the weight. And caloric deficit is where you consume less calories than what you're burning off. On a daily basis, I usually do HIIT interval trainings, I weight lift, I do cardio. I'm always moving. That's just the way my body functions, and I need to fuel my body in order to keep those movements going. On average, I burn around 2,000 to 2,500 calories a day, which is a lot. I usually eat around like 1,600 to 1,800 calories in order for me to maintain. However, for me to shred, math is just like, I'm just like, math and I, like, just basic math, I'm just like, ooh. However, for me to shred, I usually eat around 1,400 to 1,500 calories a day. And that's only 300 calories that I'm losing. It's not the end of the world. However, if I do have an extra 100 calories on my meal, that's not going to stop me. I don't want you guys to feel like you have to deprive yourself. You guys have to, you know, restrict everything. You don't have to restrict everything. However, do everything in moderation. Eventually, when your diet starts getting healthier and you start eating cleaner, your body eventually stops craving those like processed foods. You know, like, again, it's like smoking again. Like, after years of not smoking, it tastes disgusting. So like certain foods that I used to eat as a kid, I eat now. I'm like, why the hell was I putting this in my body? You know? Also, guys, I am pescatarian. You guys will notice in the video that I don't eat meat. I just eat fish. However, I'm cutting that back now as well because I want to go more plant-based. Also, this is going to be based on your body type as well. For myself, I'm an endomorph where I tend to store fat on my body and it's harder for me to lose fat on my body. So the diet that I usually follow is high fat, high protein, low carbohydrate diet. And that doesn't mean that I'm cutting carbs out of my diet. It just means I have to lessen my carbs due to my body type. You know, we all got to start from somewhere, and this is what my body type is like. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into what I eat in the day, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys for breakfast. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I already said good morning to you guys when I was drinking my water upstairs, but you know what? A good morning again to you. So right now I'm just making breakfast. I wake up around like 8:30, but I tried to finish my water before I eat breakfast. So usually like I'm peeing a lot before breakfast. So for breakfast, usually I keep it very, very simple. And usually my go-to right now is avocado toast. Super easy to make, super simple. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. I'm really proud of this avocado toast. So I'll show you guys how I make my avocado toast. Bread that I like to use for my avocado toast is either English muffins or the stone mill bread. I really like this one. I usually pick up whatever is on sale on the rack. It was the sprouted 3 grain that was on sale today, baby.
I be wearing braids and I get jerseys daily. Don't mean I'm backing up. Don't want me with ya. I ain't trying to hear it though. Not trying to hear it though. And if he knew ya, he would understand ya. That you're my man and you would never hurt me, no. He come and see ya, so that we can be alone. Oh. Baby, I know a place that we can go and be alone. As long as you make sure that you're safe to get me home. Don't worry, baby. Outside, you don't know me, baby. She got your daddy, just don't know. She been at the club, and we're going up. And we be eating on the outside, we can go high. And the boys go have my back. Outside, outside, don't know me, baby. Got your daddy, just don't know. She been at the club, and we're going up. We be eating on the outside, we can go high. And the boys go have my back. Outside, know that we can make it, 'cause we won't let it break it. I don't care who's with it. It's you and me again, so early knows the first night. Lets me know you be my girl. Oh, baby. Oh, I swear I'll never leave you. All I have to you, by your side, I'll show you the way a girl needs her. You don't need a lot of money. I'm ready, come and pick me up.
Also, besides having my avocado toast, I like to have some source of fruits. I always have fruit in my fridge. My mom and I always stock up fruit in our fridge. Like, I'm just a fruit connoisseur. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I usually don't eat breakfast at the dinner table. I usually go watch Netflix and some YouTube while I eat my breakfast, and then I go about my day. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, it is around 11:30 a.m. It's around the time that I like to do a mid-morning snack. And for snacks, I am kind of like a smoothie lady right now. Super easy. Best way to get your veggies in without even tasting them. The one thing I love about smoothies is that you can get like really, really old fruit or like produce in your fridge that you were just like, you know, they're going bad. You just put them on the blender and they taste super amazing. Bless my mother's heart for getting a Vitamix. I love this baby. This baby is just like so great. So what I'm putting in my smoothie is some pineapple that I've cut up that was going bad and I just froze it. Some old spinach, an apple, a very, very old banana. You know, this is the best type of banana to go into a smoothie because it's smooth and it tastes super sweet, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna like distract all the flavors of the vegetables. This is what you need, guys. Also some celery. I don't know about you guys, but I get super satisfied if my smoothies turn out like a beautiful green color. Let's try this lovely lady out. You don't even taste the celery in there. So you guys, blend all your fruits and veggies into a smoothie. You'll get your veggie intake in no time. This is super good. I'm gonna go enjoy this and I'll see you guys after my workout. See you guys for lunchtime. See you guys in a bit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's been hours since I've been back here. My initial plan was to work out after my morning smoothie, but you know, I kind of fell asleep. So, you know, I want to eat again before I work out. So my plan is to have lunch and then I'm gonna work out. I was digging around in my freezer and I was like, you know what? Might as well use the stuff up that's in my freezer and let's get creative here. So I'm gonna make some wraps with Dr. Prager burgers. If you guys don't know what Dr. Prager burgers are, super delicious. You can get like a full pack of them at Costco and they last forever. So I found all my ingredients. I'm just gonna heat up my pan patty here. Microwave one of these tortillas that I got going on, and then we'll make an assembly of how things are gonna look. So basically while my patty's heating up, I'm basically gonna start making my wrap on what it's gonna go on. I already cut up the veggies that I want to put in my wrap, and also picked up a good looking spinach that was from the spinach bag, because you know my spinach is looking kind of rough. I'm also gonna put some hummus and also some guacamole onto this wrap as well as my spread. Doesn't even close, guys. That's how thick this is. It's like a taco. Oh my gosh, I should just call it a taco. Yo, I'm feeling that. I don't want to let you guys watch me eat because I'm one of those people who doesn't like to be watched when they eat. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll see you guys for dinner time. Hello everyone, it is now dinner time. I just finished my workout, so I look kind of gross because I just hopped out of the shower and I coconut oiled myself all over, and I'm hungry now. So I'm just sauteing my veggies. It is leftover night for me. I'm eating some leftovers that I made last night. I made some salmon with teriyaki sauce, and I'm eating it with rice and some sauteed vegetables. I'm just gonna heat up my salmon and my rice in the microwave, and then put my veggies on the plate, and I'll show you guys my dinner. So for dinner tonight, I'm having some leftover teriyaki salmon that I made. I just sauteed it with garlic, and then I seasoned it with salt, pepper, paprika, and then also I think I put oregano leaves on there as well. And then for my vegetables, I'm having some asparagus with some purple cauliflower. I just again sauteed it. My oven's not working. It really sucks. I would usually like oven roast everything, but I gotta work with what I got here. I just sauteed again my vegetables with salt, pepper, and then I also added some steak seasoning. You guys might think I'm crazy, but steak seasoning is so good. The steak seasoning that I use is vegan, and it tastes like the barbecue. I love the smell of barbecue. And then I just have some plain white rice. You guys can substitute this for quinoa or wild rice or brown rice, whatever you guys have. White rice is in the rice cooker right now, so I'm just gonna opt for that. But I only have like 1/4 cup of rice. I try to make my plate with lots of veggies and then my protein and then just a small portion of rice. So you can still have rice, guys. Like, rice is life. I'm honestly like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, rice is my life. I love rice. So I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed what I eat in a day, and I'm gonna go kill this. So I'll see you guys later on. Bye. If you guys enjoy this video, I hope you guys got some inspiration from my craziness in the kitchen to get super creative. You know, like, there's so many food choices that you can do. Like, it's not just like a one-size-fits-all diet. Let's all just, like, you know, let's eat good food, feel good about ourselves, work out, and just have a positive mindset, and also to feed beautiful things into our minds, and life will be swell. It'll be super swell. Remember to like the video down below if you guys want to see more what I eat in a day videos, if you guys are liking this. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for giving so much love to my Chloe Ting shred challenge. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.